Hi guys, in this video you are going to discover how to make money online by only re-uploading a video on YouTube. So this is actually 100% free method, so regardless of whether you have a skill or not, you can actually be able to do this. So it doesn't require any skill set, it doesn't require any experience and whatsoever. So you are be able to make around $200 to $3,400 every single month passively. So this is the power of YouTube. Okay, so stick around if you want to learn more, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process, and I hope by the end of this video you will be able to make your own video and start uploading your content on your YouTube channel and start to making 3,400 and even more with YouTube. All right, so by the way, this is only estimated from the Social Blade. I'm pretty sure this channel actually making more than 3,000, around 2 to 3 times, maybe $10,000 every single month passively. Okay, so before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel I talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and consider subscribe if this kind of content is your jam. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well, because it does help the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so let's take a look at this particular channel over here. This is actually a billionaire channel which is related to wealth. All right, so just want to brief you out. The most top niches on YouTube is actually wealth, anything related to money, make money online, investing, cryptocurrency, or marketing and stuff like that. And number 2, you might want to consider a health and fitness niche as well. And number 3 is relationship. So the reasons why these 3 top niches can actually making you a lot of money, because all advertisers within these niches are willing to pay a lot of money in advertising. All right, so they are willing to pay a lot of money to make sure their ads can get in front of their target audience. Okay, their product or their services can get in front of their target audience. So that is the reason why. So the tip is, you don't want to pick randomly whatever niche, right? Blogging, random niche like a funny cat video and stuff like that, because you can actually gain a lot of traffic, a lot of attention. But the thing is, the CPM for that particular that category, that niches, are very low. Right? So if you are within these 3 niches that I talk about, you can get like 20 to 50 bucks for every 1,000 impression, while other niches, that random niches, you're just going to get like as low as $3 to $5 for every 1,000 views. Okay, so that is the idea. So if you want to consider, please consider these 3 niches only if you want to make serious money with ads revenue. Okay, so in this particular video I'm going to walk you through how to actually make a video related to wealth. All right, so let's take a look at this video over here. I'm going to click, and I want to give you some idea how this guy or this channel is actually making a lot of money. This is very simple videos, so I'm going to play a bit of this video. So I'm going to stop a bit. So you can see here, this is actually an ad. So means that this type of channel can be monetized. It means that you can literally make money with ads revenue. All right. So as you can see, this video, it doesn't have any voiceover or even text on the video, right? So it's literally just playing a combination of a few or a lot of simple or short clips, and then they just play the music on the background. All right, so then they just put the title billionaire luxury lifestyle. So billionaire luxury lifestyle, so they just show you the yacht, the bungalow, the supercars and stuff like that. So that is the idea, guys. And yet take a look at the views. This one has 7,000 views. All right, so it has 89, almost 90,000 subscribers already, and this just uploaded like a couple of days ago. Okay, so this channel are making a lot of money, guys. As you can see, the estimated from the Social Blade is 3,000 plus per month passively. Okay, so just take a look at the description, and the best part is, take a look here, guys, video credits. So this is all the source videos from this particular video. All right, so they're not shooting the video on their own. They actually took the video from all this source on YouTube. All right, so take a look. This is real estate. Maybe this is the bungalow video. This is the yacht video. This is international reality. Okay, this is Lamborghini, this is supercar videos. So what they did is literally they go to each and every one of this channel and they download the videos and then they re-upload it back by before that they use some sort of software. I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to reveal to you everything you need to know. So I want to make sure by finish watching this video you will be able to get your own content and you are ready to upload and start to make money by only re-uploading videos. Okay, so that is the idea, guys. So this is all the source of this video, so you don't have to shoot this video on your own. All right, so let's take a look at one of this channel, let's say the Lamborghini. Okay, so this is actually the video, the original video that they took from. Okay, so take a look at all this supercar. So what you can do literally is download this video and then re-upload it back on your channel. Okay, and of course you need to find more videos, but it is completely okay if you just want to download all this video, like 10 to 15 videos. By the way, this particular video isn't that long, it's just the length is just 5 minutes. All right, you can literally download a couple of videos, like 3-4 videos here, and then re-upload it back and then play the background on the videos. All right, so how now, that's number one, which is the source of videos. So now you have the video. So number two is the background music, how you can actually get the background music. That is very simple, guys. Go ahead to your YouTube studio, you can actually get everything literally for free, and then you can make 3,400 every single month passively. So on your YouTube Creator Studio, go ahead to click the audio library, and then you're going to find bunch of audio library that actually provided by YouTube themselves. Okay, so this is literally free, you don't have to worry about copyright strike or whatsoever, ban or whatsoever, right? So once you get here, just click here and then go to search for the genre or the mood. I'm going to click on the mood. So now you can sort by the mood. For example, I want to angry, bright, maybe inspirational. Okay, so let's take a look at this one and click apply, and then the result that going to appear here is all the music that related to inspirational. Okay, so you can also sort by the length. So take a look at this this particular video or audio over here. Okay, just preview it. Okay, you can take this one or you can choose whatever you want, right? So there are a bunch of option here, and then what you need to do next is just going to upload it and then combine it with your iMovie or Windows Movie Maker and you're good to go. Okay, so let's say if I want to find more videos, maybe I'm going to filter by track title, artist, duration, maybe by genre. So maybe I want to have something like hip-hop. Okay, hip-hop and rock and rap. Then I'm going to sort by hip-hop, and then maybe I want to download this one here. Alright, cool. So I'm going to click download. Okay, so that is number one, and then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back to the billionaire luxury lifestyle, and then I'm going to download a couple of videos from here. Okay, that's source number one for videos, and the source number two is called Pexel.com, right? So Pexel is actually one of the free, you don't have to give credit or you don't have to worry about the copyright strike and whatsoever, because this is actually a free license, or you can literally do use it for free, right? So what you need to do here, you just type in like supercar, for examples, and you can see a bunch of, you can sort by videos. As you can see, there are 7.1k videos, supercar videos available here, right? So just download. All right, so just download. For example, like if I want to take this one here, just click download. Okay, so I'm downloading the video, and maybe this one over here, I'm downloading the video as well. And then what I'm going to do next is I have a couple of videos. So you can also find for a bungalow, right? So, or yacht, or maybe superbike, so anything that you could think that related to luxury lifestyle, right? So now guys, I have my source of files, the videos and the audios. So what I need to do is I need to find the software. All right, so this is completely okay if you want to use your iMovie or Windows Movie Maker, but now I'm going to show you the free software that you can use. Okay, it's called Shortcut. So just go ahead to the website and then click download. You can literally use it for free. There's no credit card information required or whatsoever. And this is the software, and you can simply click to download here and you can use it straight away, right? So another software is called openshot.org, right? So you can use both software, it doesn't matter. It is totally depends on you. Okay, so this is another one, OpenShot video editor, and then both of this software is completely free to use. Okay, so this is my shortcut software. So what I'm going to need to do next is I'm going to go ahead and pick all of the files that I've downloaded. This one pixel, and this one, and this is the audio file, right? 3 videos and 1 audio file. So I'm going to drag to the playlist, and then I'm going to click the 3 line here and add a video track, and I will simply take this video and drag it over here. Okay, so as you can see, I have 3 videos here, so I'm going to drag this video a bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add the audio track for the sound, and I'm going to drag this audio here. It's very simple, guys. It is very simple. It just drag and drop, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play. So guys, as you can see, it looks exactly like the video that I've showed you previously in the channels, right? So it is very, very simple, guys. You can complete one video within 5 to 10 minutes only, right? So if you want to add more value, you can actually do the voiceover, or you can actually put some text here. Everything is here. Just go to filter and you go to filter and you click the videos, and then you can add, and then you can type text or whatever that you want. All right, so that is it, guys. So now you have your content already. So what you're gonna need to do next is, okay, first off, before I forget, so after that you just go to export and export file, and then you can choose just put your folder path over here and choose mp3 file, and then click save, and it's going to export your file, right? So it's literally, that's it. Okay, so now what you need to know is we need to do our thumbnails. All right, so the best software, online software editing, is called Canva. Okay, Canva is actually free, but it has the paid version. So I think you just go, if you just use the free version, it is completely okay already. All right, so it is pretty good already. So I just use the free version. So I'm going to log in to my Canva account. So now I'm logged in my Canva account. So what I'm going to need to do next is simply go to this search bar over here, and then I'm going to type YouTube thumbnail, and you can choose from the different the various different thumbnails over here. So for example, if you want to choose this one, right, so this is the built-in, the template that built in. You can also start from scratch if you want. So let's take a look. Let's try to start from scratch. So in order to get those pictures, again, you can go to pixel to get all the luxury cars or the bungalows or the yachts. All right, so it's totally depend on you. For example, in this video, I'm going to use the supercar pictures. Okay, supercars, type in supercars, and then so sort by photos. So let's say if I want to use maybe, okay, I don't want to waste a lot of time, so maybe I want to use this one here. Okay, let's say I want to use this one, so I just simply click download, right? So it downloaded, and then I'm going to go back to the pixel, and then I'm going to click the add image, upload. Then I'm going to go ahead to find my download item. It is in the download, and this is the car, and click open. I'm going to upload it here. Then I'm going to simply click the picture, and I'm going to drag it. Okay, just simply drag. Okay, maybe this is too big, right? But you got the idea, okay? So I don't want to waste a lot of time. By the way, this is just an example. So what you can do next is you can go to text, and then you can pick your text, the suitable text, and then just type in like billionaire, or maybe billionaire lifestyle, millionaire lifestyles, or whatsoever. For example, if I want to use this one, or maybe this one is pretty interesting because it has the glowing color over there. All right, so this one I'm going to delete this one first. Oh my god, it has double. All right, so I'm going to delete this one. Delete. Okay, I'm going to drag it in the center. Okay, so I just simply type in like millionaire lifestyle. Okay, so then you can actually resize it back. Okay, something like that. All right, so what you need to do next is we have our thumbnail for our YouTube channel now, for YouTube videos, and then you can simply click download, and it's going to download this particular file here. So there's no credit required or whatsoever. Just simply click download, and then it's downloading. Okay, so as simple as that. So now you have your YouTube videos that you download from the pixel or from the YouTube channel itself, and now you have your audio, which is you can literally get it from the YouTube studio. Okay, so just choose whatever mood that are related with your videos, and then you will combine it with this software, which is literally free to use, which is shortcut software. And then you will merge everything, your videos and your audios in a shortcut, which is literally free to download as well. And then you click export, and then you upload your content, your videos on your channel, and then you get your thumbnail from the canva.com. Okay, so here is my thumbnail. Let me show you the thumbnail. So this is the final thumbnail. Millionaire lifestyle. It totally depends on you what channel or what title that you want to put on, but you need to put something that can attract people's attention. Like if you are about luxury, you can put bungalows, yachts, supercars, right? Something like that to attract people's attention. And then what you need to do is literally just upload and then make money with that particular YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, I hope you get some values. So give this video a thumbs up if you could find like some ideas throughout my sharing over here. And then you literally free to use within 3 niches. It is actually up to you, but I highly recommend you to only choose 3 niches that I just revealed in this video, which is anything that related to money, like marketing, make money online, invest in cryptocurrency and NFT right now is very trending, so you might want to consider that niches as well. So health and fitness, and another thing is relationship. All right, so people want to save their marriage, people want to get their ex back and stuff like that. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up as well, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that you can get notified whenever I upload my new video. All right, so that's all guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.